Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, today's video collection contains beautiful, creative, and unique ideas of hand embroidery that could be designed for your dresses, but the whole entire pattern is circulating along one design, that is sunflower embroidery. How you can design your dresses by making sunflower embroidery patterns in the different formats like embroidery motifs, like neckline embroidery, like borderline embroidery, with a very easy beginner friendly hand embroidery stitches. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end. So that in this video we are sharing various design ideas how you can use sunflower embroidery. You can also embroider these patterns onto your cushion covers, like onto your prayer mat, onto your tablecloth, onto your towels as well as an embroidery border, as an embroidery motif onto your shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts, sleeveless summer shirts, even onto the yokes of baby girl frocks, as an all-over embroidery pattern to your whole dress, shirt, kurti, mid-length dress, scarf, strollers and shawls borders could also be designed with the help of making these very beautiful patterns. Different color combination have of fabric base have been used to give a very beautiful and stylized view. Mini sunflower embroidery is done with the help of lazy daisy stitch, and the central flower circle is filled with brown color using the French knot stitch. And if we talk about the big or a medium size sunflowers, then the medium to big size sunflowers are embroidered using one embroidery stitch, and that embroidery stitch is fly stitch, or you can also say stem stitch. So baby girl frocks could be designed. Teenager girls mid-length kurta along with shalwar bottoms or trousers could be stylized. Western style shirts, formal office going outfits along with the very stylized patterns of denim, jeans or any type of bottoms could be paired up. Baby girl frocks giving a very unique and exquisite view. Your everyday formal dresses, collar style shirts. Even you can also embroider half sunflower onto the necklines of your shirts. Different stylized colors ranging from different shades of yellow to golden tones for sunflower leaves, and the middle portion must be filled using different shades of brown color. And trousers could also be embroidered by following these patterns. DIY type of accessories like hair catch, hat, hairpins could also be embroidered by using the sunflower embroidery patterns. Guys, if you really like the design ideas of our today's video, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family members. If you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from as many as other devices as you could, so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Your love and support is the only way through which we could grow. And in the comment section, we get to know what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. Up till then, guys, take care. I have been requesting you that if you are watching my videos, then please don't forget to like. Thank you so much for watching.